Nolle Prosequi is a legal notice or entry of record that the prosecutor or complainant has decided to abandon the prosecution or lawsuit. Stephen Buckmire, a 23-year-old boat maintenance worker, was arrested and jointly charged along with his 35-year-old uncle, Jude Buckmire, a construction worker by profession, with the offense of non-capital murder in October 2022. The charges stem from the death of 31-year-old Darren Coutain, who died as a result of blunt trauma to his head and rib area during an alleged incident at his home in Belmont, St. George on September 30th, 2022. Coutain reportedly succumbed to his injuries at the St. George's General Hospital some days after the incident. Both Stephen and his uncle are being represented in the matter by attorney Jerry Edwin.
Stephen was at the scene of the altercation and was charged. But after we looked at the evidence, we conferenced with the director of public prosecutor, his senior crown counsel, Mr. Pinnock, and Mr. Pinnock is a very reasonable prosecutor. He agreed with us after looking at the evidence and some of the things we pointed out that Stephen should not be prosecuted and the charges against him will not proceed.
Attorney Edwin is optimistic that the prosecution will also agree to reduce the non-capital murder charge against Jude to the lesser offense of manslaughter. He also spoke of plans to approach the prosecution ahead of Buckmire's trial to look at certain facts concerning the case.
Our hope going forward is to further convince the prosecution that Jude Buckmire had no intent whatsoever to cause any dangerous bodily injury to the deceased. And of course, that's the prerequisite for the charge of non-capital murder or manslaughter. Our hope is that the prosecutor will agree with us and reduce the charge of non-capital murder to manslaughter in the case of Jude Buckmire.
The Buckmire case is one of 15 non-capital murder cases up for adjudication in the September assizes before High Court Judge Madam Justice Paula Gilford, who is the only sitting criminal judge on the island. For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.